Talk about the industrial space right now. What are the biggest challenges facing your customers right now?
Well, I think there are really three main issues: supply chain volatility, inflationary pressures, and labor constraints. And that last one, labor constraints, is really where we get brought into the fold quite a bit to look at different solutions to aid with that problem. Manufacturers right now are offering more money than they ever have to attract a workforce, and they're still not able to get people on the factory floor. Manufacturing is a great space to work in, very stable, solid jobs out there, but there's a tremendous shortage of people willing to take the jobs, and so RMH gets involved to help with those problems. You know, we through end of line packaging, material handling, robotics, scales. You know, we integrate custom solutions that help automate processes in distribution and production. And so in doing so, we provide more stable processes. Growth and production are more stable. We make environments safer, and we help throughput. We help our customers produce more and grow at a quicker pace. And you know, I think there's a misnomer out there that automation ends up replacing people or putting people out of jobs, but really, you know, we're automating processes because jobs aren't being filled, and then we're also able to repurpose people. We're able to put people into positions where they're using their brain, using their ideas, you know, rather than their backs and their bodies and getting hurt and injured and all those sorts of things. So, you know, the labor market is certainly a challenge for our customers, and we're happy to be a part of the solution.